Hello and welcome to another tutorial. Today we are actually working on Excel. So I've to save the time, I've actually got all the data here. As you can see, that is a huge amount of data. Uh, it's got almost 29,000 rows. So, I mean, a column. So what we are actually going to achieve from this tutorial, we just wanted to make sure that I've marked them, I've put the conditional formatting in them with the red and green. So what I wanted to achieve, that I wanted to make sure that I count all the values in these cells that above 60 and below 30. So how are we going to do this? So in order to do that, we will use a Countif function within Excel. So like we need to write a formula, like we always know the formula starts with equal sign, and then we're just gonna type count, right, type count if small braces. So it asks us range and criteria. So what is the range? Range is this. We select all of this, and then comma, and then we need a double quotation mark. And what is the criteria? Criteria is above 60, and then quotation mark, close, and then close. So that is in whole data. We have um, 7,271 values that is above 60. Basically that's in red. So I'm just gonna write here above 60. Okay. So this next one we can type here less than 30. Same formula again, equal count if, and then range again, same range, and then comma, double quotation mark, and what is the range? Less than 30. So quotation mark, close, and close. So that gives us all the data. So that is basically above 60. This is below 30. So we wanted to show this in a pie chart. We can select this and go to insert and go to pie chart, and there you go. So here we can add title. Um, we can just for the purpose of this example, we just say um, greater than 60 and less than 30. So that's all thing. And obviously we wanted to change the uh, color, so we can double click on this, I guess, and then go here, choose the color, and so can add this. This is, we will add mm, kind of orange. Okay, and we can add the labels actually. So there you go. So this big part is anything that is above 60, and this small part is anything um, that's below 30. Right. I hope this makes sense, and you learned something from this tutorial. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.